Hello guys, welcome to Techno Trends. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. Sorry for the late. Okay, so the post will be done regularly from today onwards. I hope so. And today we are going to work with the images to include we are going to look at how to include the images into our application and how to use them to display to the users in our mobile applications. Okay, Android applications. Okay, so let us move on to the images. Okay, so the images. Okay, Android provides views which can be used to display the images from various sources and provide transitions between them. So the various sources, maybe we can directly add them into our application, or we can provide the transitions. We can add from the internet, and we can do so many things like that. Okay, and we can provide the transitions between them. And the views, the different views are available there. They are text view, image view, image switcher, and image button. And today we are going to look at how to use the text view to display images, and how to use the image view to display the images, and how to use the image button to display the images in our example. Okay, so the text view, so using text view to display the images, in text view we have some attributes called Android : dribble start, Android : dribble end, dribble left, dribble right, dribble top, and dribble bottom to display the images. Here the dribble top, dribble right, dribble bottom, all these are makes our image to display. Either if I am going to use the dribble top, the image will be on top of the text I am going to display in the text view. Okay, so let us move on to the example, and we will look how to use this dribble top, dribble left, dribble start, and right to display the images in the text view using text view. Okay, so yeah, this is my Android Studio. So I'm going to start a new Android Studio project. Okay, so my activity is always empty activity. Okay, so click on the next button. Yeah, my application name is my image example, right? And say so this is package name, and this is the same location, and language minimum API level to have. Okay, and okay, say finish. Yeah, my project is getting ready, so Gradle build is running. Okay, so something is happening here. Meanwhile, we are going to look at the pictures to be imported into this one. So the pictures I have here. Okay, so I'm going to take android.png, cupcake.png, donut.png, eclipse.png, froyo.png, and gingerbread.png, all these images to be make my thing to be included into my application. So this is my application. Okay, here I got the Java file, and here I got my XML file, layout file. Okay, so and this is my folders. Okay, in this the resources, I have one folder called dribble. I need to copy and paste. I need to paste the images which I have selected earlier to this dribble folder to make my application to have the pictures. Okay, so look at here. Now my pictures are available in the dribble folder. Okay, so like this I can have my images, I can have any kind of the picture to be included into my application directly by just copying and pasting into the thing. Okay, so let us move on to the next thing. Okay, so the XML file, layout file, I have a text view here. I'm removing this one. Okay, so and next from the palette I'm going to have a image view here. Right, it is going to ask me to select the image resource. Okay, so I'm going to select the sorry, not the image view. I need to have the text view, right? So adding 4 sides, making all the sides as H. Center of the thing. Okay, right, now my text view is Ravi Chaitanya text size 18 dp text alignment center. Okay, now what I need to have here, I need to discuss about the images to be added. Okay, so drawable top, let me have drawable top with Android. Look here, this is the very important thing you need to remember, drawable, @drawable. So whatever the resources you want to add to your application, okay, the resources to be included with the help of symbol followed by drawable followed by the resource type followed by the name of the resource. Okay, so here if I'm going to have a ID, okay, then @id slash thing. Okay, if I'm going to have any color, color slash the color name. Okay, so like that I can have my different resources to be added to my application using layout file with the help of this symbol followed by the resource type followed by the resource name. Okay, so look here how nice it is. Ravi Chaitanya is here, and top of my text I am having a image file. Okay, and now look at the thing, next thing, drawable bottom. I'm going to have one more Android. Look the thing, yeah, so make my thing to be 26 dp. Okay, and text style to make my thing to be very clear. Okay, not another thing. Okay, so text color is #000. Sorry, yep. Look the thing here. Okay, Ravi Chaitanya is here, and the drawable top and drawable bottom is the images. So let me check with the help of a output screens. Okay, so this is my mobile phone. Alright, so my mobile phone is Vivo 1804. So I am making my thing to be installed into my mobile phone. Yeah, installing APKs, launching activity. Right, so look at the screen. Okay, Ravi Chaitanya is center of the images because I have used drawable top and drawable bottom. If I am going to use drawable left and drawable right, okay, then what happens? My images will be come to the left of my Ravi Chaitanya and right to my Ravi Chaitanya. Okay, so like this. Okay, I can have the things to be displayed like this, right? So what is the problem with this one? Yeah, I am displaying images using TextView perfectly. Then what is the problem with the image to be displayed with the help of the TextView? Right, the main problem is when I am going to select I wanted to change the height and width of my images. Okay, so my images have size around 160 dp to 160 dp, 116 to 160, I think so. Okay, so what I'm going to do is 100 dp height width and 100 dp height. Now look at the thing, what is happening here. Look what happened. So the thing is, there is no chance of cropping my image using TextView. Sorry, no chance of resizing my image using TextView. When I want to resize my image with the help of TextView, then it will be cropped, not to be resized. Right, so for that purpose we have come with the next type of the view to display the images, that is image view. To render images, Android provides us with the image view class. Alright, so let us move on to the example here. Alright, I'm removing drawable bottom here, only I'm making my thing to be displayed drawable top. Alright, look here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to include a image view into my application. Got the thing. Alright, from the project I'm taking my android.png only. Alright, and I'm making it to be constrained with the top. Right. Now let us have the thing. Yeah, got the thing. Right, look here, my image view, my text view. This is the image view I have, and this is the text view I have used to display my image. Let us move on to the thing again, once again, and for the image view I am making it to to have 100 dp. Okay, and height and width to be 100 dp. Let us move, let us check. Yeah, okay. Look, the image has been resized. Right, that is the thing we can have here. Okay, so I can have my image to be resized. When I want to make my thing to be resized, then I can use directly as the image view. Alright, when I have one more thing like this, okay, instead of having drawable Android, I can have cupcake here, okay, which is going to have wrap content, and look here. I want to just show you how to make my thing to be make image view to display the images to be fixed on to the size of I have mentioned. Right, so this is the actual thing. Look what big it is. Okay, so this is very big. Okay, it's big in size. Okay, so what I need to do, I want to make it to be small to fit into my screen first thing. Okay, so for that purpose, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make thing to be let me have 150 dp and 150 dp. Right, look the thing, so nice it is, 150 dp and 150 dp. So it was resized to 150 dp height and width. So this is how why we are going to use the image views to display the images in the Android examples, Android phones, Android applications. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is the thing is done. Okay, so I have my image view and I have my text view to display the images. I have seen all these things. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I want to change the image view image when I'm going to click on that image. Okay, and when I'm going to click on the text view, okay, then it will be reset with the cupcake. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the donut. Okay, two functions called onClick functions for image view change image. Okay, and on the text view, what I'm going to do, same onClick reset image. Okay, so this is for changing the image to the some other image. Okay, so create image view. Okay, right, and reset image, create reset image. Right, now what I need to have here, I need to have a image view IV. Yes, so I have an image view here IV, and I have another image view here image view, so I need to bind these two. Okay, so binding can be done with the help of image IV is equal to find view by ID r dot id dot, what is that, image view. Right, so now this image IV will be handling that image view. So now what I need to have IV, when I'm going to click on the image, okay, image view image, so it is going to change the set the image resource to Android drawable dot donut. Okay, and when I'm going to click on the text view, okay, so IV dot set image resource r dot drawable dot cupcake. Okay, so let me check once. Right, okay, so what is happening here? Yeah, okay, so check, let us check. So this is my image view, so clicking on this, it was changed to donut. Okay, and this is my text view, it is changing to again to the cupcake. So donut cupcake, donut cupcake. So like this I can play with the images in my application. So adding images to your image view dynamically with the help of the set image resource function of the image view class. Okay, thank you. So like this I can have my application to run to have include the images. Okay, thank you very much, and in the next class we are going to look at how to have the image button and image switcher to handle the images and to make animations using the images in our application. Thank you one and all, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, click on like button and subscribe and share, comment on my video. Thank you very much guys, thank you. Stay tuned to Techno Trends.